How to turn on or off vanish mode on Instagram. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process of how can you easily turn off or turn on the vanish mode on Instagram. So without any delay, let's get into it. Under vanish mode, you can send any messages, and when you go back from the conversation, the message will disappear automatically. So how can we enable this feature? For that, go to chat section and click on the conversation where you want to turn on the vanish mode. All you need to do is swipe up and the vanish mode will turn on. Now if you send any message while this mode is on and go back from this conversation, the message will disappear automatically. To turn it off, swipe up and then the vanish mode is turned off. That's all. That is how easily you can turn off or turn on the vanish mode on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.